Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a very exciting Stoney Clover unboxing, not another Chanel unboxing. We have one of those too, but that'll be posted in a few days. Right now, the focus is Stoney Clover Lane. I kind of went crazy for this cozy collection and I'm really excited to get into it. I haven't looked in these bags. The boxes, when they came, they were a little dirty, so I didn't want to bring them in here. So I unboxed it, but now this is the first time that I'm actually going to look at these items and let's just get into it. Okay. The first, oh my God. Okay, so we have to start here. The first item that I got is this little pleather headband. It is a slightly metallic color and it matches something else that I got. And it actually kind of goes with my outfit today. Wait, hold on. So there's the headband. So cute. I've been loving these Stoney Clover headbands just on their own, but I've also been wrapping my twillies around them to like kind of make my own silk headbands. And so that's really cute, but I really like this one. Okay, so now I have to find, oh my gosh. This is, sorry, this packaging is gonna be so loud. This is the curved crossbody in the fluffy pink Sherpa. And I feel like this is gonna be perfect. Maybe a little extra for taking like my dog on a walk, going to the park. It comes with this faux leather strap that matches the headband perfectly. Let me show you. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. This is so cute. This is like, I mean, it's like very good quality. Look at that. And the little zipper pull and then the handle that matches the headband. So it's like a whole moment and it goes over the shoulder. Okay, but the thing with this curved crossbody is it actually has another strap. I think it's inside. I hope it's inside. Okay, there it is. Oh. Okay, wait, I have to pick up that silica packet. We have a little one, a little furry one in the house and I just don't want her getting into it. Okay, so it also comes with this longer web strap. Oh, and there's a thread that needs to be cut. That's totally fine. You can see it's just like they didn't trim it from the thing. And so this is like if you want to go hands-free, more crossbody. And so this is what makes the bag good for what I was thinking, which is like when I'm on the go with Coco, walking her, sometimes I need to pick her up and like not, sometimes, you know, like the dog park, you just don't want to be there with your Chanel. So this is so cute. Such a winter wonderland moment. I think I'm gonna like take it when we go to wine country this weekend. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited. All right, so the other thing I got, all right. In this, I placed 2 orders. I know, I kind of went crazy. If you know what these are. And these, to me, totally remind me of the Chanel Coco Neige earmuffs. Now, it doesn't really get cold enough where I am to justify the $1,000 earmuffs. And so I went with the slightly more economical version that matched my bag. Okay, wait. It's like fully just tied in a knot. The tag is. The anticipation. Oh my gosh, I should have brought scissors. No, I want to try it on. Okay, hold on. Normally these things are like looped around and it was like fully in a knot. Do I have to take off the headband for this? I don't know. Maybe so. Okay. How cute. With like a little, my puffer coat. Actually, this would match my like beigey puffer coat really well. I am like, isn't that like beyond? And you're like, I'm cozy. It's so cute. And then when you go inside and that's not appropriate, you pull this out of your bag and you go, okay. And your hair's not messed up. I love that. And look, they're like little hearts. It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, so then the final item I got from this order. Oh no, there's more. Wait, okay. We're gonna get into that in 1 second. These I totally forgot. Okay. And then I need to take a minute and put all of my trash in this bag just in case my little furry friend comes in here. These, I am so excited for these. They are little like faux leather barrettes. And I was like, these are so cute and totally new. Okay. I can do this. It's been a minute. How cute is that? Cute. And so I got two. So you can kind of do, I wouldn't, okay, here's the problem is like they are, if you go like this, the Stoney Clover lane's upside down. So, but I like the idea of doing like a more extreme part and then doing like a set of two. Okay, not there. Or like more in the back. I guess you could go upside down. You don't have to be OCD. Okay, so these are the cutest little clips. And they match the other curved crossbody. Okay, I wasn't gonna get this, but then I watched Kendall's live. And Kendall's the founder of Stoney Clover Lane. I say it like my best friend Kendall. We talk sometimes, but it's not like that. Like I was on the phone with Kendall. No, she did a live. Oh my gosh, there goes the headband. And I knew I needed this bag. Brown teddy bear material. And the strap is, it's this faux leather again. Okay, but imagine me, chicest girl at the dog park, and not like worried about. So cute. And actually this really goes with that green Chanel bag I have. And this also comes with the webbed strap for like a full crossbody hands-free look. I've been like, I'm always in my pink era, but this like kind of neutral cocoa color, cocoa, oh, cute, is really winning me over. Oh my gosh, so then you have to do the ASMR plastic removal. So satisfying. It's like weirdly frustrating, but also satisfying to take this, like, it like sticks to itself, this plastic. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a thick saran wrap. Ugh, I don't want to break a nail doing this though. And it sticks. Okay, if you buy Stoney Clover Lane, you know the struggle of this stuff. Oh, there it is. There it goes. Ah, and it's so shiny. They're really good hardware. Okay, so this, and then you can loosen the strap a bunch. And then, wow, it goes really long. And then you can wear it crossbody. This would be like, if you are tall, if you struggle with crossbody, this is a good one. It's like super generous. And if you're short, it goes pretty short too. Something for everyone. There we go. How cute, like a little high cross or just like a shoulder situation. And it's furry, cute, and it matches the clips. Okay, and it has this little Stoney Clover Lane medal in there. So which one do you like, the pink or the brown? Well, hold on, but wait, there's more. Okay, I have to clean up a little bit. What am I doing? Oh, bags flying. All right, my second order. This is where I was peer pressured by Kendall. Both bags fell. to get the Furry tote. And because I was on one, the matching Furry small pouch customized with my name or initials. That's not my name, but you guys know. This is actually, okay, wait, hold on. I need to get into the tote, but this is like really good. Really good. Oh, I'm glad I did this. I'm glad I did this. It has like the faux leather top. Ugh, it's really good. And then the pearls. Okay. Let's get into this. I'm excited. Oh, the bottom. Wait, you guys. Okay, hold on. This is actually such a vibe. It needs to like recover from its journey. How do I take these off? I need to start showing up to these unboxings with scissors, I swear you guys. Wait, okay, and this strap that goes with this bag, you can also swap it in with the curved crossbody. So this is like that same kind of semi-iridescent faux leather, and it goes on the tote like so, like here and here, but you can also use it on the curved crossbody as like a cross, it's like fancier crossbody versus the webbing. So that just elevates it a little bit. I love the mix and match moment. Okay, the interior of this is like kind of like a textile fabric, and then it has one pocket here, and then it has this magnetic top closure like that. And I'm gonna reshape it to make it more like rectangle-y, or even like this. And the feet on the bottom. This is actually so cute. And I love this for like, okay, travel. I don't always have it in me to put like my Kelly on the seat, under the seat in front of me on the plane. So you have to bring another bag that you are okay with doing that with. This furry pink one, some may be like, Maddie, don't do it. I would totally do it. I would totally do it and save my Kelly. Oh my gosh, already. Look at how it's like more coming back to life. So cute. Cute for work. Okay, again, my puffer jacket's gonna go with this, but like with a little, with my yellow tweed Chanel jacket and this furry bag. That's such a vibe, and it's not like too much for work. It's like more low-key, or if you take public transit, like you're on the train and you're not trying to be that person. There's even a girl that I'm friends with where she like brings, she like brings her fancy bag shopping, but like inside of another bag, and then pulls it out and then like sticks her other bag somewhere, and then when she's done shopping, she like sticks it back in to walk back to her car, because you know, the parking lot can be a scary place. So cute. I could put Coco in here. Oh my gosh. Okay. With this and the headband, where did it go? Okay, wait. It's like the small joys in life. I mean, it's the big joys in life too, but it's the small joys. I think this like color would look really cute with that yellow jacket, because it's like kind of pinky neutral. I love a pink and yellow, but also like a neutral outfit like this, black, and then a pop of pink. So cute. Okay, all right. That was my haul from Stoney Clover. I hope you enjoyed it. You know, I love Stoney Clover. Let me know what your favorite item was. I actually really like this one. I can see myself using it a lot. Oh, and you throw it in your tote and it's like bing, bang, boom. Done. Done and done. Okay, on that note, I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you're all having a great day. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like Stoney Clover videos, I have a very loud contingent of people who are dying for the Stoney Clover. And I keep saying I'm gonna do a Stoney Clover collection video, but it keeps growing. And then I like, you know, I'm trying to like shift some things out, but I do have a really large collection. I don't know if I can do a Stoney Clover collection video. It's like asking someone to do a pen collection video in the house and you're like, where are all my pens? Do I really have to, it's not even pens because they're big. I don't know what to say that it's like. It's like something very hard. And so one day when I'm feeling really ambitious and really generous for you guys, I will do the Stoney Clover collection video. But until then, continue to thumb up the Stoney Clover videos, and thank you so much for watching them. And I love you guys. And if you got anything from the cozy collection, let me know what you got. Share down in the comments below. Let's talk about it. Okay, bye.